Well, I'm going to fix my garage ceiling. When I was putting some blown insulation in the attic, somebody stepped through the ceiling. So I'm going to fix that. But like maybe some of us others, where the tape's coming off, I had popcorn ceiling. I have some more tape that's coming off and the ceiling coming down. So what I'm going to do is first fix this. I'm going to patch that, and then eventually I'm going to take off the popcorn ceiling. And by the way, I had it tested, there's no asbestos, and get that done. So let's start scraping some of this off. What I want to do is I'm going to square off this hole so it's easier to put a piece of drywall in. And so, let's see, I'll need a piece approximately 18 by 7. So we'll cut that. So I have my patch piece cut out now. And this is the end of a sheet. And this here part is part of the joist. And that's a end of a piece. So we'll put that up against that and that, and we will draw out our cut mark. And we'll make a mark where they're supposed to be. And I cut it. So this will be our area that we cut out to fit our patch. So let's go do that. Well, next up, I'm just going to cut this out now, and I'm going to use my multifunction tool because it's handy. Let's see how my cutout piece works now. Oh, yes, right there. And this is why I put the marks, so I made sure I had it going the right way. And I've cut some pieces of furring that I'm going to put up here so we can attach the drywall. And I just made it a little longer than the opening. And I'm just going to use some 1 5/8" drywall screws and attach the furring pieces. So now we'll just put the patch in, and that fits, of course. Now we just mud it in. Well, I'm using USG all-purpose joint compound. And I just diluted it with a little water, just so it's, let's see, just enough so it doesn't drip. And we'll put it on here. And we'll put the paper tape on. Well, we'll let that set up for 24 hours, then come back tomorrow and check it out. Well, there it is. The next day. Looks decent. So now all I got to do is scrape the rest of the popcorn ceiling off, put a skim coat on, maybe a texture, and we'll call it a day. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next project.